Good afternoon everyone. Today we will be discussing about the constants which are being used in C#. Okay, already you know what do you mean by a constant. Constant is nothing but it's said to be a fixed value which is being given to any of the variables. Whichever variable you declare, when it is said to be defined with a const keyword. For example, here it is being given, you can check it out. A const keyword means that value will not be altered anywhere you use in the program. It will not be altered. Okay, the constant, when a constant data is being considered, when it is said to be computed, it is at the compile time when it is said to be computed. Okay, when it is said to be assigned, it is only assigned to the classes or the types which are said to be having the declarations and only which is said to be printing the statements like that only, then the constant data is being considered. Okay, when you consider a class, when it is said to be abstract, then only you can declare all the elements with a const keyword. When it is said to be not an abstract class, then you cannot use the constant keyword in the aspect of the object references. Okay, when you create an object with new keyword, for those values you cannot use the const keyword. Remember that this concept is important, that you cannot use the keyword object reference values with the const keyword. Remember that concept. Okay, how it is being declared, you can check out how the constant declaration is being made out. So here you have the const keyword, which is the syntax. Okay, you have the data type, whichever data type, int, float, double, whichever it is. Then you have the specified name, whichever name you are specifying, that name it is said to be present is equal to the particular value which you are assigning. Okay, so remember this is the syntax of your constant declaration. Const data type name and is equal to value. The examples for this one you can check out here. Const int radius, double area 1.5, const bool in is done true, and string movie star war 3, then const character my initial n. Okay, all these are said to be the values. Wherever you use it, it will be fixed with that particular value. It cannot be changed anywhere in the program. Okay, this is said to be a const type. Then even the const type can be used for multiple declarations. You can check out here how the multiple declarations are being made. So how it is, you use the const keyword, the data type, then the name 1 and initialization, comma, name 2, whichever variable name and its initialization, then variable name and the variable other names declaration, the assignment one that is being considered. In the example you can see here, const int radius is equal to 15, comma, with the comma which you are said to be specifying, and the height is equal to 5, and const double, you are changing the data type here. You have area 1.5, comma, width is equal to 3.2, length is equal to 4.1. Like that, you can have even the declarations for multiple variables with the const keyword. Remember this concept. You can use for a single variable, you can use for the multiple variables the const keyword. Okay. Then this is how the const declaration, mainly when it is said to be tested, what and all is said to be present in the const keyword, that is said to be present. You can see here, when you are declaring the name for the variable, it is said to be your e, and any other declaration name, and the type, data type which you are using is the double, and the initialization value is 2.71828. Okay, this is your value, this is your name, this is your name, and this is your data type, and your const keyword is said to be present in any of the aspect, it is said to be present. So next you will be learning about the referencing constant data. Referencing is nothing but when you want to refer something, what do? You use a dot. Okay, any of the class, mainly I want to verify, I want to access a variable which is said to be somewhere else. How do I access? Directly through the class name and with the particular variable name. You are said to be accessing. The class name is said to be there. Remember, only the classes which are said to be abstract, they can use the const keyword, otherwise it cannot use the const keyword. Okay, const class, it's nothing but that particular class becomes constant. Okay, const class, and here whichever variable is there that you have specified, in between you have a dot. In this way, you can refer any of the variable wherever it is said to be present, but it should be represented with the class name dot that particular variable name. It is said to be specified. And remember, as I said, you cannot use any of the variables which are said to be of the object type. Remember that for declaring the constant value. Remember that. So in the example, you can check it out here, how it is being given, how you can write in the program the const keyword. Okay, so you all know how the program is being written. In the beginning, you use the using system. Okay, that is said to be present. Then, as I said, here in the whole program, you can check out nowhere an object is being created. You don't use a new keyword and you create an object, and that particular object name is said to be specified as constant. It is not like that. That particular object will not be used with the const keyword. Only the specifically simple related data is being used with the const keyword. So in the beginning, when you are said to be using the abstract class name, whichever abstract with the particular class name, it means that nowhere in the program you can create an object when you use the abstract keyword. Okay, so how it is being declared in the beginning, you can check out how it is being done and what is being used. So public const int p is equal to 10. Okay, your variable p, which is of type int, is said to be constant, and where another variable which is of string type s is said to be having a string I am a constant. Okay, that is said to be a constant value which is used wherever you use, it will be the same, it will not change. And okay, this is the outside part. Another class you consider inner class, which is said to be a class test. Okay, inside that you are using a variable called const. Okay, and the variable is there called const x is equal to 5. Okay, this is within the class. Okay, so another public static void main, inside that another variable is there called const int y is equal to 20. Okay, so when I am printing now, you can check out here this within the flower brackets you have const 0 placeholder, these are called as placeholders, placeholder 2 3 4, like that is there. 0 1 2 3 are the placeholder. So one by one it will be considered in the programmatic concept. All the variables, like I am not using a slash n, means what, one after the other the variables it will be printed one by one next to each other. So in the 0th placeholder, I will be considering the first place value, which is that first place value is from the beginning. When I consider, I print the various values. Which are those values are, you can check out here how it is being printed. Okay, when I am said to be referring to the value p is outside this particular class, your p is said to be present. Okay, so and here a class name is there called const class. So how I am referring to this value is, I have to provide the class name. Okay, whichever class name is being given, it is const class dot whichever variable you have used. Okay, you have used the variable name p is equal to 10. Okay, that variable name you are specifying. So constant class of that variable, in that p is being referred. Another variable is constant class dot s is being referred. In the constant class, s is being referred, your constant class here, and the second one which is being considered is s dot s, it is being called. First one is p, then s is being called. Then you have the x value, we are considering this x value which is being taken. Then you consider the y value. Okay, here it is not specified with the const class, that particular class name, because it is within this particular scope, nothing but within this class it is said to be present. When it is outside the class, I am referring to another class and I am getting the value. So I have to give that class name dot that particular variable name I have to give it. Since it is here, these two are within the, since these two are within the program, those are not said to be represented with the const class. Okay, so when I am printing, you can see here const class dot p, const class dot s, x and y. So output would be here, the output you can check out, 10 is being printed, the p value, then I am a constant is being printed, the string value, then 5 is being printed, then 20 is being printed. Another scope is there. Okay, all these it is being printed with the console.write line, which prints the line. When I am giving here after the placeholder /n, it moves to next line. Means it is moving to the next lines. Okay. Another scope is there, and another variable is being declared here. You can separately you can check out const. Another variable is there here. So that variable local fixed value is 4. When I want to print it, I can print it in that specifically in the separate line. You can print it. Here it is being printed in a separate line, that particular value. The constant, local constant fixed value, which is being given as 4. So that value it is being printed. How it is printed as local const, this local const colon, and your placeholder has the value 4. Okay, that it will be printed like this. Your constant, you can consider constant variable plus you can consider a class as a constant one. How do you use it? Any of the class, but you have to represent that particular class with the abstract value. Then you can use that const aspect. Object created classes cannot be used in the constant declaration. Remember that. So this is the part of the programmatic concept, using the const keyword in any of the programmatic languages. Okay. Thank you very much.